Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make a candy holder. This is how it works. So when you pull the ribbon, it slides out, and these are the brand new Ghirardelli double chocolate candy bars. So you get 2 squares instead of the 1 single. So when you push it back in, it goes right back into the holder. Isn't that cute? So this is a Valentine's Day one, but we're going to make another one using the same Painted with Love designer paper, but I wanted to show you this other one that I made for a birthday. Isn't it cute? So this is the lemon lime twist with the lemon lime twist finely woven ribbon. So when you pull the ribbon up on top like this one, it slides out as well. Don't you love that? Super easy. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm using the Painted with Love designer paper. Isn't that beautiful? And I picked this paper just because of the candy bar. The Ghirardelli chocolate is in a gold wrapper, so I thought it would really accent nicely with this paper. So you're going to need a piece cut at 4 by 4 7/8, and we're going to do some stamping. And since mine is a Valentine's Day candy holder, I'm using the Bloomin' Love, and we're going to use this My Valentine. So I'm going to use the Memento ink. I'm going to bring in some Whisper White. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp the My Valentine on the Whisper White piece. We're just going to grab the Big Shot. We're going to cut this out with the layering oval framelits with the gold foil sheet. So let's grab the Big Shot. These are the layering oval framelits, and we're going to cut out the My Valentine. And then we're also going to cut out, let me tear this down to size so it fits on here. We're going to cut out a piece of the gold foil sheet with the scallop oval. And these 2 ovals layer nicely together. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them out. Okay, so let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. So we're going to bring in our paper trimmer. Now we're going to score on our designer paper, and this is the 4 7/8 side across the top. And I'm going to use the first couple score lines. We're going to use the right hand side of my trimmer, and we're going to first score at 3/8, and then we're going to scoot it down to 3/4. Turn it, and then we're going to score it at 2 5/8, and that's the mark right before the 3/4. And then scoot it down to 3 inches. Okay, so this is our candy holder. Just folding the score lines. And the 4-inch, as far as the length of it, what I did for that is I measured out the candy bar. So let's take it out. So I measured out the candy bar, and that was 4 inches long. Okay, so that's how I got the 4 inches. Okay, so we're done with the scoring. So next we're going to take the 1/8 handheld punch, and I'm going to find the center of my holder here, and I'm going to punch a hole at the top. If you're strong enough, you can punch through all these layers of the designer paper. You can go ahead and just pinch it together and slide that in and punch it at once. But I'm not very good at that, so I'm going to punch it, and then I'm just going to take my pencil and just kind of draw a little circle on the back side to give me an idea where to punch that out. So we're going to punch that right there. So next we're going to take our tear and tape, and we're going to add some tear and tape along this outside edge right here. Peel that off. Okay, so then we're just going to fold this over, and I'm going to bring in the other side and just line that up with that tear and tape edge, just like that. Okay, so next we're going to bring in our ribbon. This is in the Occasions catalog right now. It's really pretty. So nice to tie too. And since this is an 1/8 inch circle punch out, I wanted my ribbon to be really fine tipped, so I can just slide that right through that hole and pull it through on the other side. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to allow enough ribbon so when you put your candy bar inside, let me grab this one here. So you're going to push your candy bar into the holder, and what it's going to do is it's going to pull the ribbon down with it, and that's what you want. And then you're just going to kind of pull out your ribbon so it's even, so you can tie a bow. You're just going to cut it and then tie a little bow at the top. Okay, and you can trim your tails. It's pretty just like that. Alright, so now we're going to layer our foil sheet and our greeting, the My Valentine, together. Okay, we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, I'm going to put this right on the front, just like that. So when you give this away, the person, all they have to do is just pull the ribbon and then the treat is exposed and they can take it out that way. Isn't that sweet? Okay, so then here's the birthday one. And then this one I took out the candy bar in this one, but this is the other Valentine one that I used with the same Painted with Love designer paper. So that's how you make that really cute candy holder. And I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.